Kailangan yung investment nila mas fit into their lifestyle. I think this generation lives faster, travels more, di ba? And they value yung flexibility, no, ng kanilang investment. So, kailangan yung investment nila mas fit into their lifestyle at walang delay. Kaya yun ang tanong lang, ma-enjoy ba namin yan?
Yes.
Diba?
Kasi, tsaka ngayon, hindi na sapat na kumikita lang ang investment. Diba?
Yes,
Kailangan
yes,
may
yes.
kwento.
So,
Kailangan
meron
akma sa lifestyle ko. It's something na I can share to the people because generation of this age kasi they're open eh. They share their life stories, di ba? Kung nasan sila, updated ka sa kanila. Even yung investment, ganun nila i-treat na something they can tell people, ito yung naano ko sa ganito. We earn from this and then ganito yung malapit lang siya sa mga nature. We go there camping kahit wala pang chinaga namin tent pitch lang. Kaya